Creating stunning scrap material art is captivating journey into the world of artistry, innovative and resourceful recycling. The world of exploration of fascinating recreating of scrap metal art on YouTube. We will delve into the technique, inspiration, and transformative power repurpose material. Scrap metal art is not just a craft, it is testament to the humanity of artisans who transform discarded metal into breathtaking masterpieces. Join us on this immersive journey as we uncover the secret behind this eco-conscious art form, the diverse style of encompasses and talented creator who breathe life into metal fragment, ignite your imagination, and challenging our preparation. The worst possible in the world of art. The most unlike of sauce, so buckle up and let us embark on creative odyssey through the memorizing world of scrap metal art. In this captivating world of DIY craftsmanship, artisans transform discarded metal pieces into stunning sculptures that breathe new life into metal fragments. Each piece of scrap metal tells a story, bearings, scars of past life while promising growth and failure, a part of a unique masterpiece. At its core, scrap metal art is environmentally conscious and resourcing forgotten material from the scrap and granting them second chance or shine. The process being with personalized sourcing, scrapyard, dumpster, and forgotten corner for that perfect pieces of discarded metal. This raw material might be old car parts, discarded tools, and industrial remnants, each possessing its own unique features, shape, and history. Once collected, the artisan's imagination takes center stage. The possibilities are endless as they conceptual their vision and in their transformation. Welding becomes the chemical process that brings these parts pieces together, creating harmony and balance out to chores, melting metal into gas products, sharps, angles, intricate patterns. Artisans speak life into material, unveiling the beauty hidden beneath the surface. As the artisans work, diligently the piece evolved, taking on the personality of its own. The sculpture made being to resemble an animal's an abstract representation of emotion or functional pieces of furniture. The artisan's skill and creativity guide the transformation, merging the past that present to create something artistry new. Texture play a vital role in scrap metal art. The rusty patina and weather surface on the metal add depth and character of the finished pieces. Artisans often embrace these imperfections in their achievement of the metal journey. Some way those preserve the patina while others might polish a paint matter to create striking contrast. By on this aesthetic appeal, scrap metal art is a testament to sustainability and recycling. By upcycling discarded material, artisans reduce the strain on our planet, resource and contribute to more sustainable future. They invite viewers to see a potential in the overlooked and unappreciated, urging a shift of perspective toward waste and consumption. Scrap metal art also holds a powerful message about